Hey web devs, what if I told you there was a lightning-fast way to deploy your local Astro apps at the edge without headaches, and in just minutes? It's not magic, it's Azion. Buckle up, because we're about to unlock the full potential of Astro with this game-changing platform. Before getting started, you must have an Azion platform account with Edge functions enabled, the latest version of Azion CLI installed, a code editor, access to the terminal, and Node.js 18 or higher. Azion's got an easy-to-use CLI that guides you through setting up your Astro project in a snap. Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to the directory where your project is located. On the terminal, type Azion in it to initialize the project. Choose the Astro template. Type Azion build to build your application for deployment on the Azion platform. Azion CLI will guide you through the process of creating your Astro project at the edge. Type Azion deploy on terminal. This process may take a few seconds. The CLI will take care of setting up the project name, selecting the template, and configuring the project settings. Wait while the project is built and deployed to the Azion Edge Platform. After the deployment is complete, you'll receive a domain to access your Astro project on the Azion platform. Wait a few minutes so the propagation takes place and then access your application using the provided domain. That's it. Your existing local Astro project is now built and deployed on the Azion platform using the Azion CLI. You can verify the address of the deployed project in the Products menu, Domains on the Azion website. For more details, you can refer to the Azion CLI documentation and the Azion website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on edge computing and innovative technologies. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Move to the edge.